Hello, good morning. Myself Dr. Pooja. I've recently cleared my MRCS Part B exam. And first of all, let me congratulate all those who have cleared the exam. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mortimer Green for the guidance and the support they've given their students. I must say that the face-to-face workshop session has been really, really helpful. And I recommend you to take the course as early as possible during your preparation course. Then only you'll be able to get an idea of how to approach the skills and procedure station, especially that part, that domain. So the entire faculty has been really, really helpful. Even actually through the WhatsApp groups, they've arranged all the Zoom sessions, Zoom meetings, and they've been really, really amazing. And nobody will say that, of course, I cannot do that. Whenever we request for a session, they're always there to help, and they're always available to clear your doubts. I mean, the exam is very different from what we usually take back in our country. So, a guidance is of utmost importance during your preparation phase, and the Mortimer Green has been instrumental, and of course, succeeded on that aspect. So, just want to say thank you, Mortimer Green, for the support and for the wishes. And I recommend everyone to take the live sessions. So, thank you so much, and best of luck.